Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 22C from chapter Heights and Distances. So starting with question number 19. An aeroplane at an altitude of 250 meters observes the angles of depression of two boats on the opposite banks of the river to be 45 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Find the width of the river. Write the answer correct to the nearest whole number. Now there is an aeroplane, okay, at some height, and we are observing two boats, all right, from that aeroplane. Now there are two boats and both the boats are on the opposite banks of the river. Okay, so let us try to understand how exactly the boats are present and how the boats are being observed from the aeroplane. Now there is a river flowing, okay. Now there is a river जिसका width we have to find, okay, we have to find the width of the river. So width of the river we have to find, but before that there is a river flowing. Now there are two boats on the opposite banks of the river. So there is one boat at one bank and another boat at the other bank. Alright, bank of the river is basically the land portion close to the river. Okay, so that is called bank of the river. So ये land portion यहाँ पे जो river से close है, this is called the bank of the river. Okay, ये पूरा area. Same thing over here. So one bank पे there is one boat, another bank पे there is another boat. Okay, so there is river and two boats on the opposite banks. So river. Now there is one boat over here and another boat over here. Okay, we are assuming that both the boats are at the edges. Okay, so bank के edge पे है. Alright, so one boat is over here at some point and this another boat is at some point. Okay, so let this point be P, let this point be Q. Okay, now an aeroplane at an altitude of 250 meters observes the angles of depression of two boats on the opposite banks of the river to be 45 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Now both the boats are being observed, okay, from an aeroplane which is at some height. So let's say there is some aeroplane, okay, at some height. Okay, it is at some height and the river is at a lower level. All right, and there are two boats on both the sides. All right, so there are boats and river and aeroplane is at some height. So this aeroplane is at a height of 250 meters. Okay, and this over here, there is one boat, there is another boat, and this is the surface. Okay, so we are assuming there is boat on one side, another boat on the other side. This is the surface of the river, okay, and the aeroplane is at some height. Okay, so boat on one side, boat on the other side, there is water flowing in between and aeroplane at some height. Okay, so there is aeroplane at some height, boats on the opposite banks. Now इसका height दिया हुआ है. Okay, so height is 250 meters. Now we are observing the two boats. दोनों का angle of depression दिया हुआ है. Okay, angle of depression is when you are at a higher level and you are looking at a lower level. So aeroplane higher level पे है, boats दोनों lower level पे है. So this is being observed. This is being observed. So line of sight हो गया. Now this point, let it be A. Okay, from some point on the plane you are observing, so let this point be A. Now A say there are line of sight, but is there a horizontal? No, so we have to draw the horizontal. Okay, from the point where you are observing, from the point where there is line of sight, you have to construct a horizontal. So this is the horizontal. Now line of sight and horizontal के बीच का angle will be angle of depression. We are observing this as well. So line of sight and horizontal के बीच का angle of depression. One boat is 45 degrees and another one 60 degrees. So take one as 45, another one is 60. You can take the other way around also. Alright. But the important part is the aeroplane is at the middle and both the boats are on the opposite sides. This is the reason the word opposite is given. Okay. So focus on that part. Both the boats are not on one side and aeroplane on the other side. No, it is not like that. Okay, if you draw it that way, your diagram will be wrong, your answer will be wrong. So the aeroplane is at the middle and both the boats are on the opposite sides. Okay, so focus on the word opposite banks bola hai. Okay, so from here we are observing and angles of depression is given to us. Now from the angles of depression we'll find angles of elevation. ठीक है, तो angles of elevation find करते हैं. From A, E का depression is 45, तो angle of elevation क्या हो जाएगा 45. So this is horizontal, this is line of sight, so angle क्या हो जाएगा angle of elevation which is 45. Angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation. यहाँ पे 60 है तो this will be 60. Line of sight and horizontal के बीच का angle. Now this is little confusing. Simple diagram कैसा होगा? There is an aeroplane at point A. It is at the altitude of 250 meters. Now at point P there is one boat. At point Q there is another boat. We are observing P and Q. Angle of depression 45. Angle of depression 60. Angle of elevation 45. Angle of elevation 60. Okay. Now let this altitude, let's name it as AM. ठीक है, this is the height of the plane. Now we have to find the width of the river. Width of the river is nothing but this. ये बैंक का edge से ये बैंक के edge तक बीच में जो water flow हो रहा है, that is the width of the river. Okay, there are two banks and two banks के बीच का जो area है जहाँ पे river flow हो रहा है, that is the width of the river. How much wide is the river? So we have to find PQ, that is the width of the river. ठीक है, so we have to find PQ. Okay, so diagram is very very important over here. Please read every word carefully. Opposite banks बोला है तो both the boats are on the opposite banks. Okay, you won't consider both the boats on one side and aeroplane on the other side. Your diagram will be wrong, your answer will be wrong, so please be very very careful. Okay, we have got the diagram. Now it is very easy. We have to find PQ, that is width of the river. Now for that we'll consider two right angle triangles. Okay, we are going to consider both the right angle triangles. PQ directly तो नहीं मिलेगा because this is not a right angle triangle. So PM plus MQ फाइंड करेंगे. PM and MQ दोनों फाइंड करके if we add we'll get PQ. So PM is a side of this right angle triangle and MQ is a side of this right angle triangle. We'll apply trigonometric ratio. Okay, so let's see how we'll find. Now first we'll consider AMP. Okay, this is 45 degrees. Now this is 250 meters. Okay, we found already angle of elevation, so I'm not drawing angle of depression. Now we know one angle, we know one side, we need to find PM. Angle का opposite पता है, adjacent find करना है. This is the adjacent side. Opposite and adjacent का relation you get from tan. So we'll take tan of the angle. Tan 45 is equal to opposite, that is AM, upon adjacent, that is PM. Tan 45 from standard value table 1. AM is 250. PM we have to find. Just shift PM. PM into 1 gives 1. Sorry, PM is equal to 250 meters. Okay, so since the height is given in meter, all the distances and heights will be in meters now. Okay, so PM मिल गया 250 meters. To find MQ, we'll consider this right angle triangle AMQ. So AMQ, this is 60 degrees. Okay, this is 250 meters. Angle का opposite पता है, adjacent find करना है. This is adjacent side. Again tan TOA. So tan 60 is equal to opposite, that is 250, upon adjacent, that is MQ. So tan 60 is √3 from standard value table. Shift MQ, shift √3, solve this. Okay, So you will get MQ का value. Once you get MQ and PM, just add and you will get PQ, that is the width of the river. ठीक है, PQ is the portion between the two boats which is river. Alright, so now let us write down the given properly and start with the solution. So draw a proper diagram and then we'll write down few statements. Okay, so the diagram will be somewhat like this. Now point A represents the aeroplane. So we have assumed that point A is the aeroplane. Okay, we are considering some point on the aeroplane from which we are observing the two boats. Okay, so that point is A. Now let AM be the altitude of the plane from surface of the river. Therefore AM is equal to 250 meters. Now AM is the altitude of the plane. Okay, so the plane is over here at some height and there is water flowing, river है. Okay, so river and plane के बीच का distance altitude is 250 meters. Okay, so this is like a river, this is the plane and altitude is 250 meters. Now P and Q are the boats on the opposite banks of the river. P and Q are 2 points of the boats which we are observing. Okay, so P and Q we have considered as boats on the opposite banks. One is on the one bank, another one is on the other bank. PQ is the width of the river. We have considered that both the boats are at the edges of the banks. So in between there is river. So ये इतना portion river है. PQ is the river. Okay, width of the river. Now for boat P, we are given the angle of depression. So angle of depression from point A on the plane, it is 45 degrees. So angle of depression is 45 degrees. Now angle of depression 45 है तो angle of elevation भी 45 होगा. So angle of elevation, that is angle APM, will be 45 degrees. Okay, you have to write down the reason over here. Angle of elevation is equal to angle of depression. Same thing for Q. For Q, the angle of depression is 60 degrees. So angle of depression from A, it is 60 degrees. Therefore angle of elevation will also be 60 degrees, that is angle AQM. 60 degrees हो जाएगा. Give reason again over here. Angle of elevation is equal to angle of depression. PQ we have to find, that is the width of the river. Okay, we cannot find it directly, so what we'll do, we'll find PM and MQ and then add it. Okay, so considering triangle AMP, okay, this is 45 degrees, this is 250 meters, we need to find PM. So angle का opposite is given, adjacent we have to find. Opposite and adjacent का relation you get from tan. Okay, so in triangle AMP, angle APM is equal to 45 degrees and AM is equal to 250 meters. Now tan of the angle, that is 45 degrees, is equal to angle का opposite which is AM upon angle का adjacent which is PM. Tan 45 is 1. Okay, standard value table which you are supposed to know. AM is 250 upon PM. Shift PM, so PM into 1 PM हो जाएगा, is equal to 250. So 250 what? Meters. Okay, height is given in meters, so all the heights and distances now will be in meters. Okay, so PM is 250 meters, we found this. Now we need to find MQ. For that we'll consider triangle AMQ. So AMQ में this is 60 degrees, this is 250 meters. So angle का opposite we know, adjacent we have to find. So again tan is opposite upon adjacent. So in triangle AMQ, angle AQM is equal to 60 degrees and AM is equal to 250 meters. ठीक है. Now tan 60 is equal to opposite which is AM upon adjacent which is MQ. Tan 60 is root 3 from standard value table. Okay, AM is 250 upon MQ. MQ will shift and root 3 will shift over here, so it goes in the denominator. ठीक है. Now we never keep root in denominator, so what do? We rationalize. इसका rationalizing factor हो जाएगा √3. ठीक है. So multiplying by √3 in both numerator and denominator, so it will become 250 √3. Square root of a number into square root of a number becomes the number itself. Square root vanishes, तो 3 हो जाएगा. ओके, सो 250 रूट 3 अपॉन 3 हो जाएगा. ओके, सो MQ is equal to 250 root 3 upon 3. Now let us divide. It is 250 into 1.732 upon 3. What we should do is first divide 250 by 3. ठीक है, इसको डिवाइड करते हैं. ऑल राइट, सो 250 डिवाइडेड बाई 3, 3 8s are 24, so 1 remains. 10, 3 3s are 9, again 1 remains, so 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, so 83.33 we are getting into 1.732. This will become 144.333 when you multiply. ठीक है, so we'll just round it off to 3 decimal places, so 144.333 meters हो जाएगा MQ. Now we found PM, we found MQ, we just need to add these two and we'll get PQ. So PQ is equal to PM plus MQ. PM is 250, MQ is 144.333. So this will be 0.333 493. So 394.333 meters. Now we don't need the answer in decimals. It is mentioned that rounded off to nearest whole number. Okay, so 394.3 is closest to 394, 395. 394 से closest है. ठीक है, so 394 meters. In short, if this number is, if the digit okay in decimal place is 5 or greater than 5, we add, so 395 हो जाता. But since it is lesser than 5, we don't add and we'll consider lesser value, that is 394. Okay, so we found this. Box the answer and write down the final statement. The width of the river PQ is 394 meters. Coming to next question, question number 20. The horizontal distance between two towers is 120 meters. The angle of elevation of the top and angle of depression of the bottom of the first tower as observed from the top of the second tower is 30 degrees and 24 degrees respectively. Find the heights of the two towers. Give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. There are two towers and we have to find the heights of these two towers. Okay, so the heights of the two towers is not same over here. Okay, one is little shorter, one is little taller. So which one is shorter, which one is taller? Let us see. Okay, now there are two towers. Okay, one tower and another tower. All right, now both the towers are of course standing on the ground. All right, so this is the ground, which is horizontal surface, and these two are the towers. Let's name the towers. Let one be AB, let another be PQ. ठीक है, now the horizontal distance between two towers is 120 meters. So these two are the towers and the horizontal distance between them, that is nothing but the distance between the two towers is nothing but this. This is the horizontal distance, ground का जो distance है. So it is 120 meters. So BQ is 120 meters. Okay, the angle of elevation of the top and angle of depression of the bottom of the first tower as observed from the top of the second tower is 30 degrees and 24 degrees respectively. So from the second tower we are observing the first tower. Okay, so from the top of the second tower, okay, we are observing the first tower. So angle of elevation of the top and angle of depression of the bottom of the first tower is given. So which one is first, which one is second? Let us see. सेकेंड टावर के टॉप से जाके हम लोग फर्स्ट टावर के टॉप को जब देखते हैं, द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन इज गिवन. एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन दिया हुआ है, मतलब जिसका एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन दिया हुआ है दैट इज एट अ हायर लेवल. ओके, सो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ फर्स्ट टावर इज गिवन. ओके, सो पी क्यू विल बी द फर्स्ट टावर. ओके, जिसका एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन दिया है that is at a higher level. So this one is the taller. Okay, so this is first tower and this is second tower. Because we are going at the top of the second tower. Okay, A is the top of the second tower, B is the bottom, and P is the top of the first tower and Q is the bottom. Okay, so from this point A we are looking at the angle of elevation of the top of the first tower. Okay, so we are looking at the top. Okay, so this is the line of sight and angle of elevation is given. So line of sight and horizontal के बीच का angle, so we have to draw horizontal because यहाँ से there is no horizontal. So line of sight and horizontal के बीच का angle is angle of elevation. So what is the angle of elevation? The angle of elevation of the top and angle of depression of the bottom is 30 and 24. जो पहले दिया है उसका एंगल इज दिस 30 एंड जो बाद में दिया है दैट इज 24. ओके, रिस्पेक्टिवली इज गिवन, सो दैट इट इज़ इन ऑर्डर. ओके, जो कंडीशन पहले दिया है उसका एंगल इज 30 एंड जो कंडीशन बाद में दिया है उसका एंगल इज 24. ऑल राइट, सो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ द टॉप इज 30. दिस इज 30 एंड angle of depression of the bottom of the first tower. Now we are looking at the bottom of the first tower. Okay, so from the same point we are looking at the bottom of the first tower. What is the angle? Angle of depression is 24. So angle of depression is line of sight and horizontal के बीच का angle, this angle, it is 24. All right, now let's name this horizontal, let it be AM. Okay, we have to find the height of the two towers, that is AB and PQ. find करना है. Okay, we have to find AB and PQ. Now how will we find AB and PQ? Now what I am going to do in this case is AB के लिए I am not going to consider this triangle. Okay, you can consider this triangle. Angle of depression दिया हुआ है of Q, तो angle of elevation भी मिल जाएगा. This is 24 degrees. Okay, so you can consider this triangle. Okay, when you consider this triangle, angle is given, side is given, you can easily find AB. Okay, using trigonometric ratio. All right, so AB easily मिल जाएगा. And to find PQ, AB is equal to MQ and PM you need to find. For PM you'll consider this triangle. Okay, now what I am going to do is I'm not going to consider this triangle. I'll be considering these two triangles जिसका angle of elevation and angle of depression दिया. I'm going to consider these two triangles. This is the horizontal line, this is vertical, so obviously angle क्या होगा, 90 degrees होगा. Okay, so these two are right angle triangles, PMA and QMA. These two are right angle triangles. Okay, now angles दिया हुआ है. What about the side? Over here in these two triangles we don't know any side, but there is a hint. This is a rectangle, ABQM is a rectangle, so I can say opposite sides are equal, so BQ is equal to AM. ये भी horizontal distance है, ये भी horizontal distance है between the two buildings. Okay, so AM is also the horizontal distance between the two buildings, that is two towers. Okay, two towers, not buildings, sorry. So two towers के बीच का horizontal distance हो गया, so this is 120 meters. Now we have the side. For this triangle also we have side and angle, for this triangle also we have side and angle. Okay, so you can apply trigonometric ratio and find PM and QM. Okay, PM and QM or MQ. So PM and MQ दोनों को ऐड करके I'll get PQ, that is the height of this tower, first tower, and MQ is nothing but the height of this tower, second tower. Okay, so MQ is the height of the second tower. So once you find PM and MQ, it's easy. Finding the height of the two towers is easy. So let us now see how we'll find PM and MQ. For this we'll consider triangle PMA. This is 30 degrees, this is 120 meters. Okay, now we know one angle, we know one side. Angle का adjacent पता है, we need to find opposite. So opposite and adjacent का relation you get from tan of the angle, TOA. So tan 30 is equal to opposite, that is PM, upon adjacent, that is AM. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 from standard value table. Okay, you can also substitute decimal value from the natural tangents table. Okay, so PM we have to find, AM is 120, so we'll shift 120, so 120 upon root 3 हो जाएगा. So PM is equal to 120 upon root 3. We never keep root in denominator, so we'll multiply by root 3. So 120 root 3 upon 3, so it is 40 root 3. Okay, यू जस्ट सॉल्व दिस एंड यू विल गेट पी एम का वैल्यू. सो ये मिल जाएगा. नाउ एम क्यू, फॉर दैट आई विल कंसिडर दिस ट्रायंगल. Okay, so I'm not finding angle of elevation over here. I'm not going to consider this triangle. I'll consider this triangle only. ठीक है. So let us consider MQ. So MQ के लिए we'll consider this triangle QMA. So QMA, this is 24 degrees. AM is 120 meters. Okay. Now we know angle and its adjacent side. What we have to find? Opposite side. MQ find करना है. So opposite and adjacent are related by which trigonometric ratio? Tan, TOA. So tan 24 is equal to opposite, that is MQ, upon adjacent, that is AM, which is 120. ठीक है. Tan 24 you can easily find from natural tangents का table. This is 120. You can shift over here, multiply it with the value and you will get MQ. So MQ भी मिल जाएगा. Now MQ is equal to AB because this is a rectangle. From the figure you can see this is a rectangle. Okay, so opposite sides are equal. So MQ is equal to AB. So MQ का जो value मिलेगा it is equal to the height of this tower. Okay, so second tower का height मिल जाएगा. PQ is nothing but PM plus MQ. Okay, so once you get PM and MQ, just add the values and you'll get the height of the first tower. So let us now write down the given information and we'll proceed with the solution. Draw a proper diagram and according to that we'll write down few statements. So the figure will be somewhat like this. Now PQ is the first tower and AB is the second tower. Second tower is shorter and first tower is taller. Okay, क्योंकि first tower के top का angle of elevation दिया है from the top of the other tower. So जिसका elevation दिया है that is at a higher level. ठीक है. So PQ is taller and this one is shorter. Now horizontal distance between the two towers is 120 meters. So BQ is the horizontal distance. Okay, this is the horizontal distance between the two towers. Now AM is the horizontal from A to PQ. We are drawing this horizontal from A to PQ. Why? Because we need this horizontal for angle of elevation and angle of depression. Okay, so this is the reason we drew this horizontal. Now coming to angle of elevation and depression. From A we are observing P first. Okay, so angle of elevation दिया है, it is 30 degrees. So angle of elevation of P from A is 30 degrees. So angle PAM is 30. Then from the same point we look at bottom of the first tower. Okay, so it is 24 degrees. All right, so angle of depression of Q is 24 degrees, that is angle QAM is 24 degrees. All right, now we'll start with the solution. So we need to find AB and PQ. Okay, but before that we know this is a rectangle. ठीक है. So AB you can find directly as I told you earlier. ठीक है. You can find angle of elevation and consider this triangle. So AB मिल जाएगा. Okay, and then relate AB with MQ. So anyhow you have to relate AB with MQ. How will you relate? Using this rectangle. ठीक है. So ABQM is a rectangle. Okay, because ये 90 degrees है, ये 90 degrees है, this angle is 90, so obviously fourth angle is also 90. So this is a rectangle. Opposite sides will be equal. So BQ is equal to AM and AB is equal to MQ. Okay. Okay. So we'll write down quadrilateral ABQM is a rectangle. From the figure only you can say, you don't need to prove. So therefore opposite sides are equal, therefore AB is equal to MQ and AM is equal to BQ. Opposite sides of rectangle are congruent. Okay, so over here BQ तो हम लोग को पता है, BQ is 120 meters, so AM will also be 120 meters. ठीक है. So write down BQ is equal to 120 meters. Therefore AM is also equal to 120 meters. Now AM पता चल गया, it is 120 meters. So PMA, this is 30 degrees and AM is 120 meters. So angle का adjacent we know, we need to find opposite. So adjacent and opposite का relation from tan. So in triangle PMA, angle PAM is equal to 30 degrees and AM is equal to 120 meters. So just write down the given information once. Now tan of the angle is equal to opposite, that is PM, upon adjacent, that is AM. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 from standard value table. Okay, you can also substitute decimal value from natural tangents table. Now PM we have to find. AM is 120. Shift 120, so 120 upon root 3 is equal to PM. We never keep root in denominator, so we'll rationalize, we'll multiply by root 3 in both numerator and denominator. So this will become 120 root 3 upon root 3 into root 3, 3 हो जाएगा. 3 4s are 0. So 40 root 3 is equal to PM. So just find the value. 40 into 1.732. Okay. So 1732 into 4 and 0 है. So 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 7 4s are 28 plus 1 29, 4 1s are 4 plus 2 6 and 0. Okay. Decimal point after 3 digits from right. So 3 digits from right. Find the decimal point. So 69.280 is equal to PM. PM is equal to 69.280 meters. ये मिल गया. Okay. Now we need to find MQ. So MQ के लिए we'll consider triangle QMA. Okay. So considering QMA, this is 24 degrees. AM is 120 meters. Okay. We have to find MQ. So angle का adjacent we know, angle का opposite we have to find. Opposite and adjacent का relation again from TOA, tan. Okay. So in triangle QMA, angle QAM is 24 degrees and AM is equal to 120 meters. Now tan 24 is equal to opposite, that is MQ, upon adjacent, that is AM. So tan 24 is equal to MQ, which we have to find, and AM is 120 meters. Find this from natural tangents ka table. Okay. So this is 0.4452. Okay. Is equal to MQ upon 120. Shift 120. So 120 into 0.4452 is equal to MQ. So multiply this. So 4452 and 120. So 0 हम लोग साइड में रखते हैं अभी. Now 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9, 4 2s are 8, 0, 1 2s are 2, 1 5s are 5, 1 4s are 4, 1 4s are 4. So we get and 0. Okay, because 120 था. Now decimal point after 4 digits from right. So 4 digits from right, 53.4240. So MQ is equal to 53.4240. MQ मिल गया, PM मिल गया. Now it's easy. Okay. PQ is equal to PM plus MQ. So that is equal to PM, which is 69.280 plus 53.4240. 4240, 0 does not matter, so 424. Okay. So 53.424 plus 69.280 है. So this will be 122.704. Okay. Now 122.704. You are told to find answer of 3 significant figures. Okay. So 3 significant figures का आंसर चाहिए. यहाँ पे लेफ्ट से हमेशा 3 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स कंसिडर करो, ठीक है. 3 डिजिट्स का आंसर होना चाहिए. ओके, सो 3 डिजिट्स का आंसर, दिस इटसेल्फ इज 3 डिजिट्स, सो यू डोंट नीड डेसिमल पॉइंट. सो राउंड दिस ऑफ. 122.7 is closer to 122 or 123, it is closer to 123, so round this off. 123 हो जाएगा. So PQ is equal to 123 meters. Box this. So first tower का height मिल गया, it is 123 meters. Okay, we got the answer in 3 significant figures. All right, now we have to find AB. AB is nothing but MQ. Okay, so MQ कितना मिला हम लोग को? MQ is 53.424. So AB is also equal to 53.424. All right, so AB is equal to MQ is equal to 53.424. just write down, since AB is equal to MQ, opposite sides of rectangle है. Okay, now AB is equal to 53.424. again over here we need the answer up to 3 digits. So 1 2 3 digits तक आंसर चाहिए. ओके, सो फॉरगेट दिस, these were anyway smaller digits, less than 5 है, so you cannot add anything over here. Okay, so 53.4 meters. So AB is approximately equal to 53.4 meters. Box this. So we found the height of the second tower as well, it is 53.4 meters. So write down the final statement, the height of first tower is 123 meters and height of second tower is 53.4 meters. Let's read the next question. Question number 21. The angles of depression of two ships A and B as observed from the top of a lighthouse 60 meter high are 60 degrees and 45 degrees respectively. If the two ships are on the opposite sides of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. Give your answer correct to the nearest whole number. There are two ships A and B. Okay, it is given over here. There are two ships A and B and they are being observed from the top of a lighthouse. Okay, so lighthouse के top से we are observing and this lighthouse is 60 meters high. So height of the lighthouse is given over here. Okay, so let us first draw the lighthouse. So there is a lighthouse. Now let's name it other than A and B. Okay, A and B are the ships over here. So let PQ be the lighthouse. P is the top of the lighthouse, Q is the base of the lighthouse. Okay, now 60 meters high है, so PQ is 60 meters. All right, now the angles of depression of two ships A and B as observed from the top of a lighthouse 60 meter high are 60 degrees and 45 degrees respectively. Angles of depression is given. Now important part, if the two ships are on the opposite sides of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. Now the two ships are on the opposite sides of the lighthouse, so if one is on the left, another one is on the right. Okay, so if A is on left, B is on right, or if A is on right, B is on the left. ठीक है, so you can take whichever way you want. So this is the lighthouse, this is water surface. Okay, now there is one ship A, another ship B. Okay, now from the top of the lighthouse you are looking at these two ships. Okay, the angles of depression is given. Now read carefully. The angles of depression of two ships A and B. First there is A, then there is B. Okay, so A का angle पहले आएगा and then B का angle आएगा because it is given over here respectively. So A का angle, A पहले है तो angle पहले वाला लेंगे. So A का angle is 60 degrees. So angle of depression of A is 60 degrees and B is 45 degrees. Okay, so be careful with angles. It does not matter whether you switch the sides or not. Angles should be correct. Okay, so now from here you are looking at A. So this is line of sight. From here you need to draw the horizontal. So line of sight and horizontal के बीच का angle, this will be the angle of depression. You're looking at a lower level, so angle of depression होगा. When you look at a higher level, then it is angle of elevation. Okay, so it is 60 degrees. Now since angle of depression is 60, angle of elevation will also be 60. okay, this is a Z, so this angle is equal to this angle, alternate angles है, okay, so angle of depression is always equal to angle of elevation and vice versa. So ये 60 है तो ये भी 60 हो जाएगा, okay, so angle of elevation of A, if depression is 60 तो elevation भी 60 होगा. So line of sight and horizontal के बीच का angle, this is 60 degrees. Now looking at B, this is the line of sight, line of sight and horizontal के बीच का angle, okay, because angle of depression है, you are looking at a lower level, so this is 45 degrees, okay. Now यहाँ पे भी this is a Z, okay, उल्टा Z है. Now this is 45, so this is also 45, okay. Angle of elevation is equal to angle of depression, so this is 45 degrees. All right. Now we know this angle, we know this angle. Now lighthouse is vertical, this sea water is horizontal, surface is horizontal, lighthouse is like this, so 90 degrees है. Now we need to find the distance between the two ships. A and B के बीच का distance, that is this distance AB, we have to find. AB you will not be able to find directly, so what we'll do over here, AQ and QB, okay, we'll find and then we'll add the lengths. So AQ find करेंगे, QB find करेंगे. AQ is a side of this right angle triangle, QB is a side of this right angle triangle, ठीक है. So AQ के लिए we'll apply trigonometric ratio over here, and for QB we'll apply trigonometric ratio over here. Once you get AQ and QB, just add and you'll get the length AB, that is the distance between the two ships. So it's very easy. In this triangle, okay, let's draw this separately for better understanding. PQA, in PQA this is 60 degrees, this is a right angle triangle. Now PQ is 60 meters, angle का opposite पता है, we need to find adjacent. Opposite and adjacent का relation you get from tan, okay, so tan 60 is equal to opposite, that is PQ, upon adjacent, that is AQ. PQ we know, tan 60 standard value table, so just substitute the values, solve further, you will easily get AQ. AQ मिल जाएगा. QB, QB के लिए we'll consider this triangle, so considering PQB, now in PQB this is 45 degrees. Now PQ is 60 meters, so angle का opposite we know, angle का adjacent we have to find, so opposite and adjacent again come in tan, okay, TOA. So tan 45 is equal to opposite, that is PQ, upon adjacent, that is QB. Tan 45 standard value table, PQ is 60 meters, so substitute the values, solve, you'll easily get QB. So QB भी मिल जाएगा. Once you get these two, just add and you will get the distance between the two ships, that is AB. Okay, so now let us draw the figure properly and write down some statements. Draw a proper diagram and then write down the statements. So the diagram will be somewhat like this. Okay, now PQ represents the height of the lighthouse. We have considered PQ to be the lighthouse, okay, and its height is given, so PQ is equal to 60 meters. Now A and B are the two ships, okay, so A and B are the two ships, but they are on the either side of the lighthouse, so opposite sides पे है, okay, just mention that. Now angles of depression and angles of elevation of both the ships. So for A, angle of depression is 60 degrees, so angle of elevation will also be 60 degrees. Give reason over here, angle of elevation is equal to angle of depression, okay. For B, angle of depression is 45 degrees, okay, so angle of elevation will also be 45 degrees. Give reason, angle of elevation is equal to angle of depression. Now we need to find AD, the distance between the two ships, so we'll find AQ and QB and then add. Alright, so let us consider the two triangles PQA and PQB. Considering PQA first, okay, this is 60 meters, this is 60 degrees, we need to find AQ. एंगल का ऑपोजिट पता है, एडजेसेंट फाइंड करना है. ऑपोजिट एंड एडजेसेंट का रिलेशन यू गेट फ्रॉम tan, TOA, ओके. So just write down in triangle PQA, angle PAQ is equal to 60 degrees. Now we also know PQ, so just write that down. PQ is equal to 60 meters. ठीक है. Now tan 60 is equal to opposite PQ upon adjacent AQ. Tan 60 is √3. ठीक है. PQ is 60 upon AQ. Shift AQ. So AQ is equal to 60 upon √3. Alright. So AQ is equal to 60 into √3 upon √3 into √3. We'll rationalize. We never keep root in denominator. ठीक है. So 60 √3 upon √3 into √3. Square root of a number into square root of the same number gives the number. Square root vanishes. 3 20s are. So 20 √3. So it is 20 into 1.732. This is 34.64. Okay. So AQ we found. Okay, 34.64 meters. Alright, don't forget to put correct unit. Height is given in meters, so distances and heights all will be in meters. Okay. Now we'll consider PQB and find QB. So considering PQB, this is 45 degrees, this is 60 meters. Angle का opposite we know, we need to find adjacent. So opposite and adjacent का relation again tan. So write down in triangle PQB, we know angle PBQ, it is 45 degrees. Always write down the given information. Okay, PQ is 60 meters. Now take tan. So tan of the angle is equal to angle का opposite which is PQ upon angle का adjacent which is QB. Tan 45 standard value table से 1 मिलता है. Okay. PQ is 60, QB. Shift QB. So QB into 1 gives QB is equal to 60. So QB is equal to 60 meters. We found QB, we found AQ. Let us add. So AB is equal to AQ plus QB. AQ is 34.64, QB is 60. So we get 94.64 meters. Now you are told to round off the answer. ठीक है, you are told to find the answer correct to the nearest whole number. Okay, so nearest whole number, we don't need decimal value. So 94.6, it is closer to 95 or 94. It is closer to 95. Okay, 94.6 हो गया. If there is a number after decimal point which is 5 or greater than 5, we add 1. Okay, so we'll add 1, so 95 हो जाएगा. So 95 meters. Box the answer. Okay. Write down the final statement. The distance between the two ships AB is equal to 95 meters. Okay, don't forget to put correct unit.